Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you are doing well. So, quick little marketing strategy lesson that I want to impart on you is that when it comes to your marketing in general, I don't care if it's LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever, Facebook, seminars, is that you need to focus on becoming the subject matter expert in your prospects and in your clients' eyes. When that happens, it eliminates all price shopping. It eliminates referrals going to somebody else. It eliminates those hiccups where maybe you're in the planning process and all of a sudden you mention that the vehicle you're using is life insurance and somebody backs away, they get shy. If you are the subject matter expert, it doesn't matter what that solution is because your prospects and your clients trust you to implement whatever's going to be best to help them get to their financial goals. So how do we make this happen? Number one is you have to have a way to attract your ideal clients and your ideal prospects. Now, for me, I work with advisors that like dealing with business owners, high net worth individuals, successful professionals. So we'll use LinkedIn to help attract the right prospects. But from there, that's a tiny sliver of the marketing process. It's an important sliver, but it's a tiny sliver because the next thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that we are nurturing those prospects on a consistent basis. You have to stay top of mind, especially if you're looking to work with high value prospects like business owners or somebody that's either making a lot of money or has a lot of money. If you are not top of mind, it doesn't matter how good you are because once their financial pain point becomes strong enough, they're going to look to somebody in their network or somebody that they know to solve that financial pain point. So if you're top of mind, if you're nurturing somebody the right way, they're going to seek you out when the time is right. We had a great example of this. One of our advisors had somebody on her prospect list or on her nurturing list for about 1.5 years, almost 2 years before that person finally reached back out to her to say, hey, we've got 2 term policies that are expiring. We need to meet with you about converting those into permanent policies. When's a good time for us to get together, right? Or there was somebody else who came through that said, hey, I've got a massive real estate portfolio. I need help with wealth planning. I need help with tax planning. Can you help me? So those 2 individuals reached out to her because they saw her as a subject matter expert because she was nurturing them and staying top of mind. Now, the last thing that you need to focus on is converting those folks. You need to make sure that number one, you're able to take them from a lead into an appointment, and then from an appointment, convert them from a prospect into a paying client. So 2 things to focus on. When it comes to getting them to book an appointment, a lot of us have the impression of, hey, if they're ready, if they want to move forward, they'll know how to get a hold of me. They'll reach out to me. That's not the case. We need to make sure that it is extremely apparent how they can get a hold of us, whether that's with a Calendly link, whether that's on a landing page or whatever the process is that you use. Make sure that it is very apparent to your leads, to your prospects, so they don't have to guess where to go. And then from there, once you're on that appointment, whether it's a discovery call, strategy session, make sure that you've got a process in place to help them understand why they need to work with you, what you're going to be doing for them so that you can convert them from a prospect into a paying client. So hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I'll talk to you soon.